Hello, hello. We're here at Orient Dental Clinic in Da Nang. We have been here before. We did the teeth whitening and teeth cleaning, and it was amazing. It was a great experience. And but I have a big problem. Since 40 years, it's annoying me, and that's my chipped tooth. I think I fell from the skateboard or bike when I was around 6-7 years old, and I have something missing. Can you see that?
Oh no!
I'll give you a photo of it. So, and these guys supposedly can repair it. So I'll get an offer, see what they can do for me, and I'm really excited because I want this nice. I have to stop looking like Ethan Hawke. Sorry, Ethan. Oh. Shoes off. That's important. Hi. Hello. I have an appointment.
Is it your first time visit?
Second time.
Second time?
Yes.
Good night. So what do you want today?
I want a consultation about my tooth. It's chipped.
Oh,
To get it repaired. See?
yeah.
Yeah.
So the price for consultation is free. We
Oh.
offer free consultation.
Oh wow. Okay. That's amazing.
Yeah.
All right. The price for a consultation is free. That's amazing. Come on. Come on. Xin chào. A very nice lady just approached me and told me that there is a doctor who is speaking English and will be able to, I will be able to discuss everything, all my needs, and it just takes like 5 minutes until the doctor will be ready.
So how can I help you today?
When I was a child, I fell on my face, so I'm missing a piece of my tooth here in between. I wonder if it can be filled, like repaired.
You like together?
We're wondering if there's a way to just get them to look all even, but easily. Like a bond, maybe.
You see, because it will be for a very long time. So all of the teeth, they all moving, and they are moving at the right place, at the adaptation position already. So now when you are biting, you can see that edge to edge. So this is go inside a little bit and broken a little bit here, but the lower teeth already protrude.
Yes.
Fixed with the upper.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you want me to just do the filling, to fix with the aesthetic, it's almost impossible. Impossible because when you find something, it's gonna be chipped up again. So if you want it to be all aligned, you should do the veneer.
The veneer.
Right, ceramic veneer, or about 14 on the front. This is the best solution. So that we can align and make this one forward a little bit more.
What about the possibility to straighten the teeth?
Yeah. If you want to
because
straighten them, but without doing any preparation on the teeth, you can do the aligner.
yeah.
Yeah.
How does that work? An aligner?
It's just like orthodontic treatment, like braces or Invisalign, like a tray. That they put force on the tray, make the teeth move by tray. They change the tray about 7 to 10 days for one tray to move the teeth.
So that would be a possibility to align.
Right. I will take all the documents. Like imagine scanning and on the X-ray to send it for the orthodontist, and she will have a talk to you.
Another place.
No, this
Here?
is the place.
Okay.
But working team with it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, my receptionist will tell him all about the braces and Invisalign.
Okay.
And let he can have a full picture of
Yeah,
those.
good.
Okay.
Yeah, I would love that. Yes. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Do you want to have a talk with more information with my orthodontist?
That would be great. Yes.
Okay, so if you want that today, I would take on the document just freely.
Yes.
The X-ray and imaging and scanning and send to her. She have analysis and then
Yeah.
can talk to you with all the information.
Yeah, that would
Just
be
like a
That would be amazing.
specific
Yeah.
treatment plan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And my receptionist just tell you the price. She cannot do with others.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Come on. Thank you.
Thank you. It's very cool.
Oh wow. That looks horrible.
You can see some cavity like this one. Okay. You need to do filling. And the one that I concern on the X-ray that I want to check again is this one. But it is a very big filling and the contact point between this big filling and the front teeth is not good, so the food keeps stuck in. You see? You see? So this may lead to another cavity with the front teeth here. So with this one, I recommend you to have an overlay on the top to protect it, not just the single big filling like this, because you know the material of the composite filling is a polymer. It will get compressing over time when the doctor apply one layer and have a blue line light here. Every time like that, it creates a bigger gap between the filling and the tooth. So over time, it creates a secondary decay under that, and you know the contact point is not good. Is that the main point that I wanted to be replaced with the overlay? So if you pick the braces or Invisalign treatment with the orthodontist treatment, the braces just bond outside here. It doesn't concern to the top here. So when I make an overlay for you, you still can do Invisalign or braces with this one. Okay? And this one you definitely need to do filling before you do anything else from this treatment. Yeah?
Okay.
Okay, these are just minor cavity is okay. But the top up here you have a one old M&Game filling. You see the metal color?
Yeah.
Yeah, if it's just small and it's good, I won't recommend you to replace it. This filling, you know, it contain mercury inside, and you know around it have a gap already. So the secondary decay already happened.
Okay.
You need to replace it. Also with this one, this one you can see a small black line at the behind here. Do you see that?
Yeah.
It's a fracture.
Ah.
This happens all the time. Very usually with the M&Game filling, because the rigid of that filling may create a weight force on the teeth, and with the aging people, they have a high risk of having fracture on the tooth with M&Game filling. And another cavity with the next tooth here need to be filled.
Okay.
Okay. So this one when I remove the amalgam filling, I check with the fracture and I will give you the solution for further
Okay.
checking. Okay, this one. Okay, but just think about the filling first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 14 need to do filling, and one tooth here need an overlay on the
Okay.
top. Okay.
Okay, well, thank you for the update.
Okay, follow me. Okay, I have a short chat with my orthodontist, and she gave you some treatment plan, not specifically, but something that been very interesting. So about the general treatment first, about the filling, it's gonna cost you 500 for one filling.
500,000 for one filling.
With the one that already have a fracture
Yes.
on the top, that one I need to consider. I cannot tell you anything right now. I need to remove the old filling and
Okay.
check further. And
Yeah.
just to tell you if you need just a filling or an overlay for that.
Understand.
Okay. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4 filling, include the one that I told you.
Okay.
And the cost for the overlay, the material gonna be Emax. It is a kind of ceramic that can bond directly into the tooth. Gonna be 6.5 million.
So it's an overlay, ceramics. It's like a,
6.5
yeah, crown, 6.5 million. Okay.
Okay. When the doctor checked with the film and the scanning, she gave me a treatment plan, just general one. She needs to expand the front, the upper jaw, expand to make it rounder. So
Okay.
she can create more space to make them align.
Okay. How does that work?
This can be by the Invisalign or the braces, and rearrange, align the teeth, and reduce the dip bite. You know the dip bite when you bite together.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have a dip bite. No?
Yeah.
Dip bite means the front teeth go very
Yes,
close
yes.
to each other. Like
Right.
this. It actually just 1 to 2 millimeter overlap, no? But you have more.
Yeah.
On half of the teeth. So the time gonna be 1.5 to 2 years. And when I just explain about the cost for the aligners or the prices. Okay. The first one with this is in level 3, and the price is about 42 million.
Okay.
And this one, Invisalign alignment, it's 100 for you, 100 million.
Okay.
But we have a discount 85 million for this one.
85. Okay.
Okay. Got it.
And this one will be included clean check. May I add your WhatsApp? And if you have any question, you can tag me the WhatsApp. And
Yeah.
do you want to booking? I can.
All right. All done.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Good.
much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you
If
for
you
your
have
time.
any question or you want to ask something more about this, you can text me by WhatsApp.
Okay.
Okay, perfect.
Thank
Thank you so much.
Okay. Go.
All right, so we are done for today. Everything you saw, all the consultations, scanning, x-rays, everything, all the checking, everything was for free. It was complimentary. So we didn't pay anything. That's pretty impressive. And I got a good plan. There's lots of work to do. I for sure will do the fillings soon and consider what we'll do with the alignment. I'll get a price at another place for the bonding, that's for sure. So stay tuned, I'll do that in a couple of days. And yeah, keep you informed. All right, I think it was fun, more or less. Whatever is going on here, all the fillings, it's all old. My fillings are like 25 years old, so I'm not surprised that there's work to do. But now I'm hungry and I'm thirsty, so let's get a breakfast. See you in the next one.